Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to use referral code in Shein. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to go ahead and open the app and then we're going to tap the me button down here. After doing so, what you're going to do is head over to more services and then you're going to go ahead and look for share and earn. Now, if you are going to click that one right there, you should be able to have this link right here. You can go ahead and just basically tap the others here and be able to share it in different platforms. So there are different platforms here that you can share it to. You can also just copy it, but say for example I'm going to go ahead and try to share it to WhatsApp. All right, I'm going to choose this one right here and then I'm going to go ahead and send it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send it here, and here is our referral code. So as you can see here at the bottom, you have there the link or the referral link. If people are going to use that one, this is something that they are going to get. So they are going to get an extra 10% off their first order. Now, how about us? What are we going to get from it? Now, if we are going to go back here, you can see that you will be able to get also 15% off with a minimum spend of 1,199. By the way, this is Philippine peso, and that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.